Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss some MCQs based on chapter number 8, respiration and circulation. So see the first MCQ which is display on your screen is the muscular structure that separates the thoracic and abdominal cavity is. The answer is B, that is diaphragm. So diaphragm is the muscular structure which separate thoracic cavity which contain heart and lungs from the abdominal cavity. So answer is B, that is diaphragm. So next, second question, what is the minimum number of plasma membrane that oxygen has to diffuse across to pass from air in the alveolus to hemoglobin inside a RBC? So ऑक्सीजन को डिफ्यूज़ होने के लिए एयर से हीमोग्लोबिन तक जाने तक एयर से हीमोग्लोबिन तक जाने तक या फिर एयर से हीमोग्लोबिन तक जाने के लिए ऑक्सीजन को कितने मेम्ब्रेन क्रॉस करने पड़ते हैं? तो इसका आंसर है 5 मेम्ब्रेन्स ऑक्सीजन को क्रॉस करने पड़ते हैं, तब जाके एयर से ऑक्सीजन हीमोग्लोबिन में डिफ्यूज़ होता. थर्ड क्वेश्चन विच इज़ डिस्प्ले ऑन योर स्क्रीन is the sound producing organ. All of us know that larynx is sound producing organ. It is also called as sound box. Next question is muscles contract when the external intercostal muscles contract. The answer is diaphragm. Next question, movement of cytoplasm in unicellular organism is called. So movement of cytoplasm in unicellular organism is called cytoplasmic streaming or protoplasmic streaming, and it is also called as cyclosis. The answer is B, that is cyclosis. Next question, which of the following animals do not have closed circulation? So earthworm have closed circulation, rabbit also have closed circulation, shark also have closed circulation. So the answer is butterfly. Answer is butterfly, that is option C. Butterfly have open circulatory system. Next question, diapedesis is performed by. So diapedesis, it is a amoeboid movement which is performed by WBCs, that is leukocytes. So answer is leukocytes, WBC. So D. Then ninth question, pacemaker of heart is, the option is A, SA node. Sinoatrial node is also called as pacemaker of heart. Next question, which of the following is without nucleus? So the answer is red blood cells. RBCs are enucleated, that is RBCs do not have nucleus because RBCs have hemoglobin, which is a respiratory protein, and it contain respiratory pigment which bind with nucleus, which bind with oxygen, and it transport oxygen. Next question, cockroach shows which kind of circulatory system? So cockroach shows open kind of circulatory system. 12th question, diapedesis can be seen in? So diapedesis can be seen in WBC. The option is correct option is B. Next question, opening of inferior vena cava is guarded by? Opening of inferior vena cava is guarded by Eustachian valve. The correct option is C. And bicuspid valve, it is present between the left atrium and left ventricle. Tricuspid valve, it is present in the right side of heart. Thebesian valve, it is present at the mouth of superior vena cava. So opening of superior vena cava is guarded by Thebesian valve. So correct option is Eustachian valve. Next question is, wave in the ECG represent atrial depolarization. So P wave in the ECG represent atrial depolarization. Last question, the fluid seen in the intercellular spaces in human is interstitial fluid. So interstitial fluid is present in the intercellular spaces.